Guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And today we're going to be talking about how to get a virtual business address for your LLC. Okay, so first things first, let's actually understand the need for this. Okay, what is a virtual business address? So it's basically a real street address, which is provided by a service which you can use for mail, official business filings, and correspondence. So it's basically helpful if you don't want to use your home LLC, your home address for your LLC. So you want to begin by researching virtual address providers. For example, there's iPostal One, there's Regus, and there's actually others like Virtual Postmail, Post Scan Mail. Now these companies specialize in offering virtual business addresses, including options that are tailored for LLCs. So once you've chosen a provider, guys, what you need to do is you need to visit their website and you want to browse the available locations. You can select an address based on state or city preferences. Okay, ideally you want your LLC registered in a specific jurisdiction. So if you want that, then you can browse through. And next, guys, what you need to do is you need to sign up for a plan that actually meets your needs. And during registration, you'll provide your LLC's name and business details. And you'll also need to complete a USPS form 1583, which basically authorizes the provider to handle a mail on your behalf. And notarization will actually be required. And you can get this online. It's very easy to do this online as well. And after you complete these steps, guys, your virtual business address will be active. Okay, you can use this address for your LLC registration, your marketing, and your other correspondences. And many services also offer you mail scanning, guys. And forwarding and online, package handling, which you can basically access everything online, guys. And that's it, guys. You have learned how to, get a professional a virtual business address. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys next